You're using Trello Power UPS completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single week. I'm about to show you the game-changing features that 90% of users never discover. Most people think Trello is just basic task management with cards and boards. They're missing out on dozens of powerful integrations that can transform their workflow into a productivity powerhouse. The biggest mistake? Not knowing which Power UPS actually matter and how to set them up properly. Let me show you the 8 essential Power UPS that will revolutionize how you work. First, we need to access the Power UPS menu. Click on your board name, then select Power UPS from the drop-down menu. You'll see the Power UPS directory with hundreds of options, but don't get overwhelmed. Power-up number 1 is Calendar View. Click Add next to Calendar and suddenly your Trello cards transform into a visual timeline. This isn't just another calendar, it's your project roadmap. Drag cards between dates, see deadline conflicts instantly, and get that bird's-eye view of your entire project timeline. Next, enable the Butler Automation Power-Up. This is where Trello gets seriously smart. Click the Butler icon in your board menu and you'll see the automation dashboard. Create rules like automatically moving cards when due dates approach, or assigning team members based on card labels. The Butler interface shows you templates for common workflows. Third essential power-up is time tracking. Add the toggle or harvest integration to start monitoring exactly where your time goes. When you open a card, you'll see the time tracking widget right in the card details. Click Start Timer and Trello begins tracking your work automatically. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and I've got tons more Trello secrets coming your way. Now for power-up number 4, Google Drive integration. This eliminates the attachment chaos completely. Enable Google Drive from the Power UPS menu and suddenly you can attach files directly from your drive. No more downloading and re-uploading. Click the Google Drive button in any card and browse your folders instantly. Power-up 5 is custom fields, perfect for adding extra data to your cards. Once enabled, you'll see custom fields in your card menu. Add priority levels, budget tracking, client information, whatever your project needs. The custom fields appear right on the card front, so critical information is always visible. Sixth game changer is the voting power-up. Enable this and team members can vote on cards using thumbs-up icons. Perfect for prioritizing features, choosing between options, or gathering quick feedback. The vote counts appear directly on cards, making team consensus crystal clear. Power-up 7 is Card Repeater for recurring tasks. Set up cards that automatically recreate themselves weekly, monthly, or on custom schedules. The Card Repeater settings let you specify exactly when and how often cards regenerate. Never manually recreate recurring tasks again. The 8th essential power-up is Big Picture for visual project mapping. This transforms your boards into flowcharts and mind maps. Enable Big Picture and click the new icon in your board menu. Your cards become connected nodes showing project relationships and dependencies. Here are my pro tips for maximizing these Power UPS. First, don't enable everything at once. Start with 2 or 3 that solve your biggest pain points. The board can get cluttered if you go overboard initially. Second pro tip, combine Power UPS strategically. Use Calendar View with Butler Automation to create deadline warnings. Combine time tracking with custom fields to monitor project budgets. The real magic happens when Power UPS work together. Third tip, explore the power-up settings menus. Most have customization options hidden in their configuration panels. Butler has advanced triggers, Calendar View has filtering options, custom fields have different data types. Spend time in those settings menus. Finally, check the Power UPS directory regularly. New integrations launch constantly. Popular tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Salesforce all have Trello Power UPS that can streamline your workflow. The key is treating Trello as a platform, not just a simple task manager. With the right Power UPS enabled, you've got project management, time tracking, team collaboration, and process automation all in one place. Your productivity will skyrocket when you stop using basic Trello and start leveraging these powerful integrations. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These Power UPS aren't just features, they're your path to working smarter instead of harder. Hit subscribe for more productivity tutorials that actually make a difference in your daily workflow. Your future organized self will thank you.